What do we dream of? What do we see in our dreams? Memories, desires, and struggles of the unconscious, trying to make sense of the past, present, and the future. Since the birth of the idea of this project, I have been keenly focused on the events of the past and relationships of the past. During all the thinking, I started to wonder, how will I ever process this phase of my life? This phase of creating a dream diary. Today, when I analyze the past, I prepare lists of bad choices made, errors in judgment, moments of Today, when I analyze the past, I prepare lists of bad choices made, errors in judgment, moments of unproductive days, and even when I agree that mostly I did the best I could, it feels easy holding on to the bad. So I wonder, what bad will I find in the act of creating this dream diary? Will I always exist out of sync with my time? You know, what was the exact moment at which I decided to do all this? The immediate cause of this dream diary? It was when I realized that somehow I started feeling envious of writers. I'm envious of people who write or in any way creatively express phases of their lives that are gone now. These people talk about events and moments that are decades old with such clarity, wisdom, and vulnerability. Wait, isn't it neat like food in that manner? So what's the thousand? They were not only awake when they were living it, they made meaning of it and wrote beautifully about themselves. They remembered everything and spun the most beautiful narratives. I think I want to write like this, be this kind of an artist. I want to be awake, aware, live and remember my life enough to write, to make art, to create.